A witness described scene in pandemônio and the storm hit with the streets quickly flooded and visibility severely reduced. The emergency services were inundated with the cars and driver found themselves terrorizing the vehicles and predictions sought refuge in shops and doorways. Madrid, Spain. A sudden of violent hail storm has battered the Spanish capital, leaving the city in chaos. The storm with a stark in early afternoon brought with a large hailstorm, stroke winds and torrential rain causing significant damage to buildings, vehicles and infrastructure. The severity of storm caught many of surprise, with some likened into a national disaster. Local authorities have urged residents to stay indoors to avoid a low essential travel, warning that conditions remain hazardous. Power outages have been reported to some areas and transport links have been severely disrupted, with many flights to and from Madrid cancelled or delayed, where the city metro system has also been affected by several lines temporarily suspended due to flooding. The Spanish government has offered in support to the local authorities, planning to provide assistance in the cleanup operation. Meanwhile, meteorologists are warning that more severe cleaning could be on the way, with a further risk of thunderstorm and heavy rain over the coming days.
Hostia, hostia, hostia.